Here's a look at the rescape of my 29-gallon Killifish colony. Sometimes I remove the hardscape and use a stiff brush or even a wire brush to get algae off the rocks, and use a cone-shaped brush to get green hair algae and diatom algae off the plants. Other times I replace the hardscape with rocks that have been dry in my crawl space for weeks or months. It's a constant battle to get rid of the algae, but I think the rescape looks kind of interesting. I decided to go ahead and remove the Salvinia minima from the corral. I don't believe that the water movement in this tank is going to be detrimental to it, so I just let it float freely about the surface. And the idea is that since this is such a fast growing and fast propagating plant, it'll absorb the nitrates from the water column and keep the algae down. The Gabon Killifish, which I found incidentally as a fry in my bed of splendens 10-gallon aquascape, appears to be large enough now to add to the adults in the 29-gallon. And it'll be simpler to feed it in that tank, so I'll catch it and slowly acclimate it to that tank.